Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Today I want to introduce you to two beautiful flowers that are available from Prestige Botanicals, and these are the roses. One lot of the roses is more than this, but these are the colours that I've decided to use today, and it's beautiful peachy, apricot-y, rusty colour, which I absolutely love this colour. And I'm going to team it up with these beautiful, beautiful magnolias. And when I was trying to decide what flowers I would use, I looked into the inside of the magnolia and saw those beautiful colours there in its little wee, oh, look at that wee colour there, I don't know what that's called, it's a little wee interior cone. And when you look at that with that colour there, isn't that just absolutely beautiful? I love it. So I've only got 3 of everything at this stage, but I want to show you how you can do a design using the artificials and incorporating them with some proteas, which I thought were quite nice too. And I loved how the colourway of the protea connected with the colours that were in the roses. Honestly, these are absolutely beautiful flowers, and the attention to detail is just absolutely unbelievably amazing. Now, when I look into the back of the magnolias, what I love is this colourway here, which is almost the same as, look at this, the fresh. Look, you can hardly tell the difference. Look at that. I think that that's just amazing. And I said that I would find a beautiful flower or artificial source for us, and I have, and I just love it. So I think that that's how you can tell when something's a really good representation of what it would be if found naturally occurring. Now I want to show you how using the artificial, you can put some fresh with it to create a beautiful design that just takes on a whole life of its own. And the great thing is you can either buy the fresh or you can find the fresh to add to it. Now into this vase here, and I don't often do vase work because I find it quite difficult, but with using the fresh and the artificial, it's just so much easier. Now into here, I'm just going to put the fresh foliage. Now you don't even have to worry about how you're going to design it. Just plonk it in the vase and just remember sort of round ups and downs, but as long as everything's sort of kind of visually balanced, you will be fine. Now there's a lot of money, or actually when I was doing my training, I just want you to know that I was told that by my senior, there's a lot of money in foliage and to use it. Now don't forget to take all of those bits that are going to be below the water level off, because that's what's going to sour the water. And I'm just going to push those into there, push those down and in as I've done there. So it's not balanced, it's not perfect, but we don't want a perfect design. We just want something there, that's better. We just want something that gives us a good base in which to use the flowers. Right, these I'm just going to stick straight down into the water, and I really would like a few more of these, but unfortunately I don't. So this is all I'm going to have. So we'll just press those down into there like so. Then using the roses, I've only got 3 of those, so you don't need a lot. You don't have a lot, well, you don't have a lot, do you? Because when you're picking things in your garden, you don't always get a lot. And sometimes when you're buying flowers, you only get 3 in a bunch, and they might be really expensive. So why spend a lot of money when, you know, you can work in 3s? Now with these proteas, I am going to give those a wee cut, because I've got the magnolia up at the top, and then I've got the roses in the middle. So I need to just fill in around the middle section there. So just check all of your foliage for if there's any broken or any damaged stems, just cut those off. And we'll try and make these all about the same length. Now years ago when I was doing my training with heavy woody stems like this, they used the method of getting those to last long at that stage was to beat the ends of them. Well, I don't like that, because when you put them into the vase, you're going to see that, and I don't want to see all squished up stems. So these just can get put down and in amongst the flowers evenly, And if you wanted to, you might even need to just cut those even shorter. But how's that for a beautiful design, just using 3 magnolias, 3 roses, 3 proteas, and a whole bunch of real foliage. I really love this type of designing. If I had more of the camellias, I'd use those. And the other thing is, magnolia is one of my most favourite flowers, but unfortunately once picked they only last a short time, so having the artificial makes it so much easier for those of you who love them as much as I do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again another day.